Hey YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing the SRPE57. Before we start unboxing, let's do a quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing the Seiko SNKL23, the good old classic. I'm actually going to take off the SNKL23 so that we could compare it to the SRPE57 because they're both very good entry-level watches. So it'll be good to see them side by side. So let's set that watch there. And let's get started with the unboxing. So we get the actual box here, and we get the manual. And now for the reveal. There it is. Wow, look at that watch. That watch is gorgeous. It still has the plastic on it, but just look at that dial. That's a beautiful watch. Let's get it out. Get that cushion off of it as well. Look at that. Get that light shining on it. Let's take off the plastic. Wow, look at that. What a gorgeous dial. And of course we got the tag. Let's go ahead and take that off. And now it looks like the bracelet also has some plastic on it, so let's go ahead and take that off next. I finally got most of the plastic on the bracelet off. That was a lot tougher than I thought it would be to get the plastic off the bracelet. It was very well protected with that plastic on it. Just look at the way the light reflects off of it. The golden accents are a nice touch as well. Here's a look at the movement display. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Which watch do you guys think looks better? I really like the size of this watch. I like how versatile it is. It could be a classy dress watch, but it's also got that sporty vibe to it. It could pull off both, so I think it's quite the versatile look. This watch is quite versatile as well. Probably not as much as this one will be, but I've put this watch on like a NATO wristband, and I could wear it very casually with a NATO band. This one I might put on a NATO band from time to time as well, but I think I do want to try wearing the bracelet on this one for a while. I think the gold accents on it would look great with something like this. Maybe I'll just do a single stripe though, like a solid black with a single gold stripe. I think that would look very nice on this watch. Alright, I'm going to try and size this bracelet myself so that I could put it on my wrist, and we'll get some wrist footage right now. Alright you guys, I just finished sizing the bracelet. I think it's the perfect size. Here, let me come in from this angle so you guys can see. It's a really nice watch, perfect size for my wrist, I feel like. Beautiful watch. Here's the back of the bracelet here. Do a little wrist roll. I gotta work on my wrist rolls. But beautiful watch, really happy with the way that it came out. As you guys can see, I have a very small wrist. I had to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole links. So there goes the whole bracelet. But look at that. Very happy with the results. And there is still one micro adjustment option left here, as you guys could see. So if I had to go even a tiny bit smaller, I could, but this is, I think, the perfect size. It doesn't, it doesn't rattle too much or anything, and I could still fit a finger in the bracelet. So I'm quite happy. And that's actually the first bracelet that I resized myself. So if you guys see that I did anything wrong, please let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I haven't actually set the time yet, so let's go ahead and do that right now. So as you guys can see, this watch does have winding. I'm going to place the crown next to the microphone so you guys could hear it. That's what it sounds like. Very satisfying wind to it. This SNKL23, amazing value for money. I actually got this one when it was only like $90. Right now I see it selling on Amazon for about $180. And with that kind of money, you could almost just get yourself one of these. I got this one for $200. So, they're around the same price point. I like the size of this one just a lot better, and I can't wait to put a NATO strap on it as well. But that's gonna do it for this unboxing video. And if you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe. Next video, I think I'm gonna put a mesh bracelet on this one. And then I'm just going to use this one with dress shirts. So if you think that might be interesting and you want to see what that's gonna look like, definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys then.